Bangladesh is once again facing devastating floods, and this time, the source lies beyond its borders. The Dambur Dam in India has released a massive amount of water, causing rivers in Bangladesh to overflow. Thousands of homes are underwater, and communities are struggling to cope. The situation highlights the need for better cross-border water management between India and Bangladesh. As relief efforts continue, the people of Bangladesh are calling for urgent action to prevent future disasters. Together, we must find a way to protect lives and livelihoods from these recurring floods. Subscribe to our channel to see more interesting videos.